What is up everyone, welcome back to another beauty video. Today I have got something really fun for you guys. We are going to be trying out some gorgeous colored contact lenses from MYEYEBB, and I have got to tell you about MYEYEBB's first ever Thanksgiving campaign. If you have been with me for a while, you know that I have already tried their contact lenses before, and I have to say they never disappointed. They are always so fun to try on. Today I have got 4 pairs to try on, and I am also excited to show you how they look. Also guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, drop your comment below. I will try to answer it. Like the video, share it with your family and friends, and have fun watching. From October 6th to October 31st, MYEYEBB is running a special Thanksgiving giveaway on their website. If you spend $100 or more, you will be eligible to enter the giveaway and get this adorable gift box. Inside you will get a coffee mug to go, super cute, right? I have been already using it. This pink textile bag and couple of cases for your contact lenses, which are always good, on the go. And of course a few pairs of lenses to go with it. I think this is such a cool way to celebrate Thanksgiving, and who doesn't love getting extra goodies with their order, right? Enough chit chat, let's get into these lenses because I know you are here to see how they look. I'm going to start with the color Bubble Gray. I have always loved gray contact lenses because they give you, that soft, mysterious look, and they tend to go with any outfit or makeup look. Let's pop these in the eye. I would like to see the difference. So here is the contact lens, and here is my natural eye color. Like, wow, look at these. I feel like they are so beautiful. They just give your eyes this gorgeous, almost ethereal glow. What I love about these is that they are not too intense. So if you are someone who wants a change without it being super dramatic, I feel like this bubble gray color is perfect for that. It blends really nice with my natural eye color, but you still get that cool grayish tint. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about these. Would you wear them? Personally, I think these are perfect for everyday wear, or even for a special event where you want to look a little more, sophisticated. Next up, we have got the color Iceberg Green. Green contacts are always a fun one for me. Even my natural color is green, but these really stand out, especially with my skin tone and hair color. I feel like these are supposed to have an icy, cool vibe, so I'm expecting them to look a bit more striking. Here you can see the difference. This is my natural eye color and this is the lens. Like, oh my gosh, these are so bold. What do you think, guys? They definitely make my eyes pop out, right? This icy tone in these is super unique. They are not your typical warm green lenses. These are more cool toned, almost giving me those wintry frosty vibes. If you want a pair of lenses that's going to turn head and get people asking about your eyes, like this Iceberg Green is definitely the way to go. I feel like these would be perfect for a night out, or even something like photo shoot where you want, your eyes to be main focus. They are definitely a statement lens, but I love how they still manage to look kind of natural. They blend so well with my natural eye color, and I'm obsessed with those. What do you think, guys? Yay or nay on the Iceberg Green color? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, now we are switching things up with a Barbie Black color. These are all about giving you that wide-eyed doll-like look, and I'm super excited to see how they turn out. I have never really worn black contact lenses before, so this should be interesting. Here you can see the comparison, my natural eye color and Barbie Black color. Like, wow, these definitely make my eyes look huge. I feel like I just stepped out of an anime or something. If you are into that super cute doll eye look, like Barbie Black is definitely going to be your best friend. They give you that wide open look without being being too overpowering, and I actually really love these for when you want to switch things up and have some fun with your look. They are dramatic but not too crazy, and I think they would be amazing for cosplay or even just for days when you are feeling a bit extra. Like, what do you think, guys? Are you into doll eye look or do you prefer something more natural? Last but not least, we have got Iceberg Brown color. Now, I love brown contacts because they give you that soft, warm look, but this one has an icy undertone, so I am curious to see how that translates. Let's try them on. Alright, so here you can see my natural eye color and the contact lens. Like, these are stunning. They are so soft and natural looking, but that icy tone really makes them stand out. These are the kind of lenses you can wear every day and not feel like you are going too over the top. They give your eyes that warm, inviting look, but with just a little bit of, edge. I can totally see myself wearing those on Thanksgiving or for any fall event. They just scream autumn to me, like cozy, soft, but still unique. Iceberg Brown might actually be my favorite so far. Which ones do you think they look best on me? Drop your comment below, I'm curious about it. Alright, so before we wrap things up, let me remind you about the MYEYEBB's Thanksgiving campaign. From October 6th to October 31st, if you spend $100 or more, on their website, you will be eligible to participate in their giveaway. You can win this super cute gift box, which I have right behind me, with this cute coffee mug and this textile bag. It comes with some contact lenses and all the stuff I told you already before. I will leave you the links in the description, so you can definitely check this out, and if you have any questions, drop your comment below. Guys, I feel like that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Trying on these lenses from MYEYEBB with me, I had so much fun, and honestly I'm obsessed with all these shades. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and if you are planning on entering the Thanksgiving giveaway, don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you subscribe for another video like this, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.